The fastest way to make more money in your business isn't by obsessing over profit margins, chasing every dollar, or stacking offer after offer. It's by shifting your focus to something way more powerful, making people's lives better. Do that, and the money will take care of itself. I'm Kelsey McKay. I'm here to be a guide for those building lives and businesses from the soul up. I help soul-driven entrepreneurs align their energy, own their truth, and create impact without burning out. Now, chasing money for the sake of money is a hamster wheel. It does burn you out. It keeps you grasping, and honestly, it makes you forget why you started this entrepreneur journey in the first place. But when you flip it, when your focus becomes service, impact, and transformation, that's when you get into your flow. People feel when your work is rooted in soul, when your product, your service, your brand is built around actually giving a damn. Now, money doesn't become the goal. It becomes the byproduct, the reward for doing the real work, which is making someone's life better. So I'm challenging you today. Stop asking yourself, how can I make more money? That's surface level shit. Instead, ask, how can I solve, serve, and shift lives in a way that actually matters? Because when you lead with soul, when you take ownership of your impact, the money doesn't just show up, it chases you down. Now, if you're ready for more straightforward content to build your business and live your purpose, like and subscribe to the McKay Project, and I'll see you in the next episode.